In this video, we will be using ViaBecs AHD Backup camera for testing purposes. It is the 10-pin camera line. We often forget to connect the two short lines on the extension cable. Failure to do so will result in the aftermarket backup camera not displaying on the head unit. It is the power cable for the backup camera. In this video, we will troubleshoot potential reasons why the rear view might not be displaying. Make sure to connect one of the two short lines to the back line. Additionally, connect the other short red line to the positive pole of the reversing light to power the camera. If you possess a ViaBecs 16-pin wire harness, locating the reverse line can be easily accomplished with the help of the wiring diagram. As we can see, once these connections are made, the backup camera displays perfectly on the head unit. But if your backup camera is still showing a black screen, let's set up the reverse camera format. Our camera has a resolution of 1280 by 720p/25 fps, so we'll choose the HD, rear view, odd 720p/25 fps option. That's all. Thanks for watching.